Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to add an advance payment in ZohoBooks. So let's get started. First, log into your ZohoBooks account and go to the Sales module from the left-hand menu. Click on Customers and select the customer for whom you want to record an advance payment. Once inside the customer profile, click Plus New Payment. In the payment form, select Advance Payment as the payment type. Enter the amount being paid in advance, the payment date, and choose the bank account or payment mode from which the funds were received. You can also add a brief note or reference to keep your records clear. After filling in all details, click Save to record the advance payment. Now, this advance will appear in the customer's account and can be applied to future invoices when you raise them. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.